want to talk to you about the squat, okay? Now, it's a movement that sometimes we possibly haven't got the right positioning on, okay? Often we see people squatting and they're leaning forward too much, okay? And their back is going, and that's not really what we want to see. And that's probably because their ankle mobility is limited slightly, okay? So a little hack which we can do to make sure you're a little bit more upright is to take any problems with ankle mobility out of the equation. Yes, work on the flexibility and mobility of your ankles away from these, but if you want to squat and squat in a good position, I recommend getting some plates or anything that will raise your heel up. We put our heels on, okay, and it will allow us to keep a much more upright position when we're squatting as opposed to that leaning forward, okay? So we're here, my weight is in the heels, my spine is nice and upright, okay? My shoulders are almost sort of over the balls of my feet, okay? And I'm not stressing out that back too much, and I'm really able to get some good depth through the squat, working in full range of motion through the hips, okay? So give that a go, let me know how you get on, see you soon.